The sea, vast and unforgiving, demands respect. Its moods can change in an instant, from serene calm to raging tempest. For centuries, mariners have relied on a shared language to ensure safety on the water. The international regulations for preventing collisions at sea, or COLREGs. These regulations are the backbone of maritime safety. These rules are not just guidelines, they are international law, crucial for preventing accidents and protecting lives at sea. They provide a universal framework that all mariners must follow. Whether you're navigating a cargo ship or a small sailboat, understanding COLREGs is paramount. Every vessel, regardless of size, must adhere to these rules to ensure mutual safety. In particular, Rules 4 through 8, focusing on lookout, safe speed, risk of collision, and action to avoid collision, are critical. These rules dictate how vessels should behave in various situations to prevent dangerous encounters. They form the bedrock of safe navigation. Mariners must be vigilant and proactive, constantly assessing their surroundings and making informed decisions. These rules are essential in all visibility conditions, from clear sunny days to the thickest fog. No matter the weather, adherence to COLREGs ensures that the language of the sea is understood by all. Rule 4 is simple. It applies at all times, in all conditions. Even in perfect visibility, with calm seas and clear skies, vigilance is key. Imagine a sailboat enjoying a leisurely afternoon sail. The sun is shining, the wind is fair, and the crew is relaxed. Suddenly, a powerful motor yacht emerges from behind a nearby island, heading straight for the sailboat. Without Rule 4's constant vigilance, this idyllic scene could quickly turn into a nightmare. By maintaining a proper lookout, the sailboat's crew can spot the approaching motor yacht in time to take appropriate action and avoid a collision. Rule 5 emphasizes the importance of a proper lookout. This is a fundamental principle in maritime safety. This means using all available means, sight, hearing, and technology. Each sense and tool plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety of the vessel and its crew. Scan the horizon meticulously, listen attentively for fog signals, and utilize radar and AIS, the automatic identification system, to their fullest potential. These actions can prevent accidents and ensure smooth navigation. A common mistake is over-reliance on technology. It's essential to balance human vigilance with technological assistance. While radar and AIS are powerful tools, they are not infallible. They can provide critical information, but they also have limitations. Human error, equipment malfunction, or even simple blind spots can have disastrous consequences. These factors must always be considered and mitigated. In 2017, a cargo ship collided with a fishing vessel, despite both vessels having operational radar. This incident highlights the importance of constant vigilance. The investigation revealed that the cargo ship's crew was distracted and failed to properly interpret the radar data. This tragic event serves as a reminder that technology should aid, not replace, human awareness and judgment. Rule 6 stresses the importance of maintaining a safe speed at all times. This doesn't mean crawling along at a snail's pace, but rather adjusting your speed to the prevailing conditions. Factors to consider include visibility, traffic density, maneuverability of your vessel, and weather conditions. Imagine a ferry navigating through dense fog. Visibility is reduced to a few meters. In this situation, the ferry must reduce speed significantly, to allow sufficient time to react to any potential hazards. Maintaining a safe speed allows for timely course changes and minimizes the risk of collision. Section 5. Rule 7. Collision course. Rule 7 helps us determine if a risk of collision exists. A key concept here is the constant bearing, decreasing range principle. If another vessel maintains a constant bearing relative to your vessel and the distance between the two vessels is decreasing, then you are on a collision course. Radar, AIS, and even careful visual observation can help you identify CBDR situations. By plotting the course and speed of other vessels, you can anticipate potential conflicts and take early action. Section 6, Rule 8, Taking Action. Rule 8 outlines the actions to take to avoid a collision. The key is to act early, make clear and substantial course changes, and communicate your intentions clearly to other vessels. Avoid small, ambiguous course adjustments that may confuse other vessels. In 2015, two cargo ships collided in the English Channel. The investigation revealed that both vessels had detected each other on radar, but made a series of small, indecisive course changes, ultimately leading to the collision. Clear, decisive action is crucial for avoiding collisions. Section 7. Rules in Action Real-World Scenarios. This section is crucial for understanding how theoretical knowledge is applied in practical situations. Let's bring these rules to life with a real-world scenario. By visualizing these situations, we can better grasp the importance of each rule. Imagine a sailboat sailing in open water on a clear day. The conditions are perfect, but the crew must remain vigilant. The crew spots a large cargo ship on the horizon, seemingly on a collision course. This is where their training and knowledge come into play. Applying Rule 4, the crew maintains a vigilant lookout, using binoculars to assess the situation. Constant vigilance is key to safety at sea. They also consult their radar and AIS, confirming the cargo ship's course and speed. These tools provide critical information for decision-making. Recognizing the risk of collision, Rule 7, the sailboat's crew takes early and decisive action. Rule 8. Timely decisions can prevent dangerous situations. They alter course significantly to starboard, clearly indicating their intentions to the cargo ship. Clear communication is essential in avoiding misunderstandings. The cargo ship acknowledges the sailboat's maneuver, and a collision is averted. This cooperation between vessels ensures safety for all. This scenario highlights the importance of combining COLREGs knowledge with practical seamanship and good judgment. Seamanship is not just about following rules, but also about making wise decisions in real time. Section 8. Key Takeaways. Your Safety Checklist. Let's recap the key takeaways from Rules 4 through 8. Maintain a vigilant lookout at all times, using all available means. Adjust your speed to the prevailing conditions, ensuring you have ample time and space to react. Be aware of the risk of collision, particularly the CBDR principle. Take early, clear, and decisive action to avoid collisions, communicating your intentions clearly. Remember, safe navigation is a shared responsibility. By adhering to COLREGs, we contribute to a safer maritime environment for everyone. Section 9. Sail safe, a shared responsibility. The sea can be unpredictable, but by understanding and adhering to COLREGs, we can minimize risks and enjoy the beauty and freedom of the water safely. Rules 4 through 8 provide a framework for safe navigation, emphasizing lookout, safe speed, collision avoidance, and decisive action. Remember, these rules are not just words on paper, they represent a shared commitment to safety at sea. Let's all do our part to make the maritime environment a safer place for everyone. What are your experiences with COLREGs? Share your stories and questions in the comments below.